Number one, give up the blind copy and paste habit. Let me tell you a quick story about myself when I began programming. The first thing is that I would stumble upon a problem, and then I was familiar with Stack Overflow. So I would go to Stack Overflow and search for the solution for if someone experienced the same problem before, so that I can get the solution. Let's say I was working with the fixed navigation for HTML, so I would go there, how to make it, and I'm like, fixed navigation not working, and then I would be given the results. So what I did is that I didn't care what they explained, what it wasn't working, so I would copy the whole code and paste it inside my IDE and continue doing what I was doing. Man, what I can tell you, this is the worst habit you can ever have in your programming career, and I can guarantee you that it's gonna get you nowhere. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding, said Leonardo da Vinci. So you should seek for understanding, not a solution. Number two, give up having problems. Let me ask you a small question that I don't need an answer. Are you going to be the person who wants to get rid of the tree forever, of that tree forever? So what it does is that it goes to the leaves and starts cutting the leaves, going to the branches, starts chopping the branches off. Or are you going to be the person who slashes the whole stem and then removes the root of the ground? I don't know what your answer is. Tell me in the comment section below. But from what I know is that you need to find why it's not working. You need to know why it's not working, and you need to dive deeper inside your code to make sure you understand each and everything you're doing. And once you find there's a problem, you need to understand what was the solution, why, how, and what. And why. Yeah. Try to understand the problem and solve its root cause. Dive deep inside your code, read and learn something which you don't know already. Just know that it is the path of craftsmanship that leads to true understanding and mastery. Number three, give up perfectionism. Which is better to make one great app, program, piece of code, or a writing that's going to take you several years to complete, or to be prolific and to create and to make hundreds of imperfect results in a year? Which one are you choosing? One thing, according to my ideology, as long as you're human, you can't create a perfect program. You can't create anything perfect. I've seen that even on big companies, on Google Apps. I've seen that sometimes you see there's no weakness, but when you go to the reviews, you find that the app is not 5-star rated by most of people. And there's still some people that complain, oh man, Google sucks, oh Amazon sucks, something which it has taken them too many years to get there, and there's a great team of programmers and developers behind the company that they have been doing this great work to make sure it happens. So you can create, of course, don't get me wrong, you can create a great product that most of people, not everybody, but most of people say, hey man, this is great, but you can't create a perfect product. So that is the one thing that you should know about this point. Number 4, give up writing smart code. Just know that debugging is twice as hard as writing the code in the first place. Therefore, if you write the code as cleverly as possible, you're by definition not smart enough to debug it. I'm not the one said it. Said Brian Kennedy has some comments so that even you will benefit from it 3 months later. So number 5, the shortest possible code. I mean, don't care about, and don't think that by writing shortest code you are writing the better code. Just make sure you follow the procedures of clean code, which I'm going to discuss in the next video of this series. So make sure you get subscribed so that you get notified when it drops. So make sure you write clean code that is readable, that is well formatted, so that no matter how long it's gonna be easy and fun to read, and it's gonna get the other person on your team or even you in the future get familiar with it. Because once you write the code, 3 months from now on, you are most likely that you've forgotten everything. Especially if you didn't follow these procedures that I said in this video, that you didn't understand the code well, you were copying and pasting and other weird stuff. And that's it for this video. Hope this helps you out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. This channel is new, and so you know that there's a lot of content coming. So make sure you get subscribed so that you don't miss. There's Alexa project coming next week. I'm working on creating a visual assistant for this channel. So make sure, so you don't want to miss that, and make sure you get subscribed so that you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching.